Now we'll have this set that language is, if what is being stated in the sentence is a kind is the set is giving us some set of strings. If those set of strings are these, we can put them in a set. We can name it. We can call it as a language of the strings over a comma b, whose strings length is 2. Right now, so what is it? It's very simple. We have to accept only these strings, nothing more than that. So Q naught may be A or B. Q naught may be taking A or B. A is valid, B is also valid. It may begin with A or it may begin with B. Yes. From Q1, we may have A or B. Yes. Once A is the first symbol, then forthcoming symbol may be B. If first symbol is B, then forthcoming symbol may be A or B. First symbol is B. Next symbol may be A or B. First symbol is A, next symbol may be A or B. So therefore first symbol is A or B, second symbol is also A or B. Up to this over. But if anything, you want to test A, B, A, whether it is valid or not, we have to say whether it is valid or not. If we are trying to verify it, A, B, A is valid or not. Yes, on B, we'll go to here. Again A, we go to here. Again A, we go to here. But what is the language? Strings of length 2. But the string we are verifying for accept or reject is of length 3. Definitely it should be rejected. Therefore, we go to some state which is a rejecting state, means which never shows a transition to the accepting state. More than 2 length will lead to a dead state. Such state is called as a dead state, means we do not find transitions from there to the other state. You can notice here, from this state we do not have transition to the other state. We have transitions to the same. Once we enter into this, we will be in that only, here only. We never leave that state. Now, what is the information that you want to know from this is, what is the length of the string? 2. Then how many states are there? So this diagram is similar to this. Both the arrows are towards the Q1. Instead of writing 2 arrows, I wrote only 1 arrow. I wrote labels over it, A comma B. Or if you don't want it to be like this, you show 2 arrows like this, like 2 paths. You can go along this, or you can go along this, or along this, or along this. Right? Then, so what is information that you want to get is length of, if it is a W in general, W, number of or length of W, we'll note number of symbols in a W, we write it like this. It is not compulsory, it is a convention to understand. N W is 2, yes, N W is 2. How many states we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Number of states are 4. Number of states are 4. How to write this 4? We can write it as a 2 plus 2. Right. If by chance we can elaborate it, if number of symbols in a string, DFA for finite automata for accepting strings of length 3, the number of states will be 3 plus 2. And if it is n, obviously in general n plus 2 states. If DFA for accepting strings of length 5, how many states will get? 7 states. 5 plus 2, so 2 states extra. 5 plus 2. Right? So it is generalized, it is information and it is a solution. Right now, it is a DFA for accepting strings of length 2. It is not that it is valid for 0, comma 1. Yes, same diagram. 0, comma 1, 0, comma 1, 0, comma 1, 0, comma 1. Right. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Right now. So you can write here 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. That's it. Right? just slowly we are going into the difficult problems. These are DFAs. DFA means if there is being in one state, if there is one symbol as input, we should be able to decide to go to where. If there is no guidance from there, then it is not a DFA. If valid or invalid, rejected is going to be rejected or not, is accepted is no matter, but there should be a guidance from there where to go, right? DFA for accepting strings of length at least two, length at least two, strings of length at least two. Understand it? Strings of length at least two means two and above, right? That means mod w is greater than or equal to two, right now. So such language L can be AA, AB, BA, BB, up to this previous problem. But two or more, two and more. This we may have all combination A, B, A, B, A, and so on and so on, B, B, B. B, A, B, A, B, and so on. Many more strings. Right. So for accepting this, what is it? It is a start state. I'm naming the states A, B, C, or you can also name Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and so on. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't get confused. A, B, C are state names. Q is capital Q is A, comma B, comma C. Right. In this, sigma is A, comma B because distinct symbols are A and B only. Understanding? Now, A on input of beginning string may begin with A or B. Yes, may begin with A or B. May begin with A or B. String of any length, no issue. Begin with A or B. Right. A or B will go here. From there, input may be A or B. Still, we reached C by looking at the strings of length 2. After that, no worry, 2 and more length means any number of A's and B's of any length are valid strings, those strings fit into this L right now. So therefore, understood? How many states are there in this? Three states. What is it in general? N plus 1. At least 2 means 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. It is 0 length strings, 1 length strings, 2 length. And there plus length of the string. Any more. Shows transition for each state on both A and B inputs. Right? Similarly, we will see some more problems. If you want to analyze more, I'll forward the file to you. Try to analyze it, try to understand it. Anyway, I'll be explaining problems in it. If any problem which I want to explain which is not in this, there are some problems on only few problems are not there in this. I have not updated it because it is PDF. I'll add some more later. Any if you have doubts, you can mail me or you can also chat me your doubt. I will address the doubt in the next class. Right? Any doubts? But you have to understand it clearly. To understand the subject, it is easy. Nothing is there in it. But if you do not pay attention, you will not get the concept. You will not be able to understand. So I'm taking the screenshot for attendance. Wait for some time. You chat me if you have doubt. I will explain it. that's what is this is. Shall I close then, or do you have any doubts? Can I'll close then.